Hello and welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to download photos from Google Photos. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So first thing you want to do is open up the Google Photos. You can copy your photos and videos to your device. Now, if the photo is already on your device, this option won't appear. Now, choose a photo on your Google Photo that is not yet on your device. Now, press the three dots on the upper right corner. Then press Select. Then press Download. Now, it's already downloading. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!